In Microsoft Excel, if you want to highlight cells with specific values, how you can do that. In today's video, we will learn that. In my Excel sheet, you can see that I have column which is employee name, and then rest of the columns contain the date. And in the employee name column, we have names of the employees, and then on the specific date columns we have the present and absent values. Let's say I want to highlight all the present employees. For that, what I can do is I will highlight this area, then go to conditional formatting, then click on new rule, and from here I will choose format only cells that contain, and in the cell value I will choose it as equal to. Here I will enter present, then click on format, select the fill and choose the color, then click on OK and then click OK again, and then you will see that all the present values have been highlighted.